Hey guys, welcome back to my tool show. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Milwaukee CIRCULAR SAW. You pick this up on Home Depot or Ace Hardware or Amazon. Price $130. I picked mine up at Home Depot. And let's get into the unboxing. Come with directions, show you how to put the blade on, so I know how to do that. Toss that on the side, and it comes with the blade. It comes with a book. It shows you what vegetables, toss it on the side. And out. Here's the saw. So you know what you do with this box? Toss it. So take the plastic. So how to put the blade on, you gotta take this off and you have to hold a trigger down. So I'm a big Milwaukee guy. Guys, leave down the comments below. Are y'all a Milwaukee guy or a DeWalt guy? Ryobi, Craftsman's, or a tool brand. So guys, that's that. Like, subscribe, share, and see y'all in the next video.